What is up, guys? It's your boy, the soccer boy here, and today I'm making this video because June 6th I'm gonna have this haircut. Hopefully, if it stays like that. And also, I got a Nerf gun yesterday, so now me and my cousins will have Nerf gun battles. So yeah, please subscribe to Team Edge. Subscribe to Vanos. Subscribe to FaZe Rug. Shout out to Assassin's Squad Vasquez. Check him out in the link description below. And check out Ruby Caliber and Tasty Nobla, Wildcat, basically, Homewrecker. There's another one. Oh, I forgot. By the way, J. Fred, you're my best, and Matthias. You're the best, Team Edge makers. So yeah, guys. Peace.